Meaning of herring.
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 Herring. Herring refers to a type of small, oily fish that is commonly found in the North Atlantic and other regions with cold waters. It is an important food source for humans and other animals, and is often smoked, salted, or pickled for preservation. Herring is also used in the production of fish oil, which has health benefits due to its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. In addition, herring plays a crucial ecological role as a key prey species for larger predators such as seabirds, seals, and whales. Overall, herring is a versatile and valuable resource in both human and natural systems.